So today we have an Indian Scout build year 2018. This one up. I'm gonna do the maintenance. So for the oil filter, I use this one. You can disconnect the horn and put on the right form and oil filter socket. That will be easier because this one is really heavily bolted on. If you don't loop the oil filter here, it will be very much stuck, like very stuck. So this one is I loosened it, and then we have the other bolts here to drain the oil. First I'm going to do this, then I'm going to drain the oil here because as you can see, there's not much room here to work. So I use my little lift with a piece of rubber there, just at the corner of the oil pan. So that's pretty strong. That's okay. Pretty difficult engine to motorcycle to work on, elsewise. And then we're gonna do the belt. It's too loose, as you can see. It's too wiggly. We're gonna move it up a bit. We can do that with when we loosen this bolt, and then you can see how far you go with the points and the marker. So we are at 1, 2, 2.5 now. So we'll line it up exactly, and here you have also a reference, so you can see it's even. You can also adjust it, of course. For the rest, what we're gonna do also is replace this. As you can see, the oil seal here is starting to leak, and the oil is on the fork, falling down to the wheel speed sensor and the brakes. So not too good to brake, and the wheel speed sensor is giving a fault code. I just cleaned it a bit, just tested it, but I have to clear the fault by driving it. So we go to the menu, the check engine light menu, because this one check engine light stays on, ABS light stays on also. So it's a wheel speed sensor normally, and since we have the oil dripping on that, so it's obvious. But we can still, with this button here, look, you can cycle through the menu, and when you find this CK check engine light, you just press it down and hold it. Bam! It starts blinking, but it doesn't count any numbers or something. It just starts blinking, and you have over here you have I think it's a reference for one code 0, as you would suppose, and code 0 is 84 2. If you look it up, you have a fault code for the wheel speed sensor right over here. What a coincidence. So we're gonna sort that one out. I'm not gonna show you how the oil drips and stuff. So I'll catch you in the next one for the fixes on this Indian Scout 2018. Bye.